I like airway hikes too, though. I'm getting used to it.
Yep.
And since we don't have to buy cat food and cat litter right now and bring that out,
Oh yeah.
I don't have to worry about trying to get that loaded up into the cart.
Oh yeah.
Mark, when I confronted Kimberly, I was very gentle with her.
Oh yeah.
And I didn't, I said,
that is recording, so let's keep that to ourselves. That's my dash cam.
Oh,
so certain
okay,
things,
it is. Okay, yeah, well, never mind.
Yeah, because that goes up to YouTube.
Okay, we won't worry about that then.
There's Aldine.
I won't, yeah. Oh, hi, Aldine. I got a fire.
Yeah.
She always tells me when she sees you.
Yeah,
she likes
cool.
you.
Yeah, well, this next week we're going to give her a little bit more practice and instruction when it comes to driving. So.
Oh, who is?
I'm going to be doing that for next week.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
She did good, though. I saw her drive the other day.
Yeah, she does.
So that's, you know, and I don't know where she was going to, but I think maybe just around the complex there.
Getting a little bit of practice.
I think I saw her. Was it that?
She has that black Mercedes.
Yeah. Huh.
That's
cool. She's pretty cool. So let's tell me when she sees you.
Oh yeah.
I think she's lonely though. She didn't have any family.
Oh yeah, she does. Yeah, she's got her kids that live here in town.
Oh, they do?
Yep.
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I love you, honey.
Likewise.
I love you. But anyway, I just want you to know that I was very kind to her. And I was very, I did that again, sorry.
Yep.
I forget that you have that on just a second after you tell me.
Yep.
But I don't have a lot to do, and I'm making sure that I do it quickly.
Oh yeah, you're good.
And then I've got a $10 roll of quarters. I thought I'd treat us to a pop or something.
Yeah, we'll just get that at the Jack in the Box right here on Northwest Boulevard.
Oh, okay.
And we're done.
How was your day?
Very good.
Good.
Yep.
What did you do today?
House cleaning.
Oh, yeah.
Took advantage of the fact that the apartment has got that junk hallway trailer set out there for people to put their stuff in. And
I don't even know where that is.
It's down right where Dixie used to be parked.
Can you carry that TV out there for me?
No, that's a bit too heavy.
Oh, how do I carry that out there?
It's too heavy for us, so it's just going to have to stay put.
Okay.
So...
Well, that's good. You got a bunch of junk hauled out there now.
Yep.
I don't have anything to put in there.
Yeah, I've got an old chair that I hauled out.
Oh, yeah. Get rid of that old thing. Well, I can't dare to get rid of any of Buddy's furniture.
Oh, yeah.
Notice I said Buddy's furniture.
Oh, yeah.
No.
He's a good boy.
He is a good boy.
We love him.
He loves us.
Yep.
And he knows we love him.
Oh, yeah.
And so, I'm going to save up some money to get him to the bed. And then I have an $81 phone bill to pay.
Yes.
And because I think I did make 7 director assistant calls and I didn't realize that I was making so much.
Another thing that'll be nice about getting you a cell phone, that's you just if you're needing to look up a phone number, you just